While a glass of ice water can sound incredibly refreshing, it turns out that there are a number of reasons why drinking cold water can be harmful and warm water is far more beneficial. What does cold water do to your body? Cold water can interfere with a number of healthy bodily processes and actually can be detrimental to your well-being in the following ways. Cold water robs you of nutrients. The body's natural temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. When you drink something that is very cold, your body has to spend an exorbitant amount of energy to regulate your core temperature. This takes away from energy that is needed to digest food and absorb nutrients and even burn fat. It may cause a sore throat. Extremely cold water may cause respiratory mucosa to build up, resulting in increased chance of infection, causing a sore throat. It can actually increase your risk of headache. According to a 2001 study, women who had experienced a migraine in the last year were twice as likely to trigger a headache by drinking cold water. And finally, cold water may contain dirty ice. I recently found a study that reported that ice is often dirty, coated with bacteria and fungus. This is true of your ice at home. Also, on the flip side, there are some amazing benefits of warm water. So I'm not telling you not to drink water, I'm just telling you to rethink drinking cold water and switch it for warm. Warm water provides pain relief. Drinking warm or hot water has a soothing effect on the muscles of the abdomen and can provide relief from menstrual and abdominal cramping as well as muscle spasms. Warm water boosts your weight loss. By drinking a cup of hot or warm water first thing in the morning, you can jumpstart your metabolism. Warm water increases your body temperature and increases the rate at which your metabolism burns calories. It prevents premature aging. Drinking warm water helps to flush compounds from the body that can accelerate aging. It also improves your skin elasticity by aiding in cellular repair. Have I convinced you yet? Here's some more. It clears nasal and throat congestion. Hot water is a wonderful natural treatment for colds. It can naturally dissolve phlegm and clear your airways. It not only clears out your nasal congestion, but it also soothes sore throat symptoms as well. It prevents constipation. Hot water can help you maintain bowel movement regularity. Dehydration is a frequent cause of recurring constipation problems, not to mention that the movement of the bowel slows down as it fills up. The hot water can finish breaking down food remnants and flush them through the intestine. Warm water aids in your digestive process. It's believed that drinking cold water during a meal might promote hardening of oils in the food and lead to a fat deposit in the intestine. That sounds terrible. As mentioned earlier in the video, warm water boosts metabolism and aids in your digestive processes. It detoxifies your body. The act of drinking hot water naturally raises the temperature of your body, which is a good thing. As your body temperature rises, it activates the process of sweating, which flushes toxins out of your body through the pores of your skin. This extra hydration also helps your kidney function to flush waste material out of your body. We're almost done. It improves your outlook just in general. According to Dr. Michael Wald, the Director of Nutritional Sciences of Integrated Medicine and Nutrition, consuming hot water activates receptors found in the stomach, esophagus, intestines, and mouth, stimulating the pleasure regions of the brain. It maintains balance in the body. Practitioners of Chinese medicine believe that drinking warm water that is similar to the temperature of the body maintains balance and promotes balance. They believe that extremes in either hot or cold throw off the body's yin and yang. Imbalances are believed to be responsible for symptoms like chills, depression, thirst, foggy thinking, sleepiness, bloating, and more. And finally, it enhances your blood circulation. Drinking warm water breaks down fat deposits that are present in the body and your bloodstream. This warmth increases the flow of blood circulation and promotes the removal of toxins. The increased circulation induces muscle relaxation, which can reduce pain and inflammation. So my final tip here is to try drinking warm lemon water, especially first thing in the morning. This is my personal favorite way to drink water, but just by adding a squeeze or two of fresh lemon juice. Especially beneficial first thing in the morning. Lemons contain citric acid, magnesium, bioflavonoids, vitamin C, pectin, calcium, and limonene, which supercharge your immunity so that the body can fight infection and stay healthy. They also help to lower the activity of free radicals and increase the breaking down of body fat, also known as adipose tissue. So, improves your immunity, boosts your metabolism, promotes weight loss. What more can I say? So this video was not all negative to avoid cold water. I know who doesn't love a cold water, especially I'm here in Austin, Texas, where it's 100 degrees. But especially during meals and first thing in the morning, try switching that cold for some warm lemon water. I'm Nick Garcia, holistic nutritionist and certified health coach at The Health Report. Thank you for watching this video. I have some, any study that I mentioned is down at the bottom. I have some free gifts. I wrote this metabolism reset guide that I would love to send you. I would appreciate a like. I would even appreciate more if you subscribe to my channel. Talk to you next time.